Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company RoyalMe. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Just showing you guys the box. This is going to be a straight out of the box review. The company pretty much does everything for you, so you can wear their unit straight out of the box. I'm pulling the unit out, and then they did include 2 hair clips inside of the box for you to clip your hair back. Now this style that I will be showing you guys today is their Kaylee Bob wig. This one is in the length 12 inches. It's 150% in density. The cap size is a medium, and then the fake scalp color is a light brown. This one does have 5.5 inches of parting space. You get your soft lace, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and they have a detachable elastic band. Knots are bleached, so it's going to make it even more easier for you to just lay down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this unit on. Now the fake scalp is coming off a little bit lighter. Now me personally, I can do without the fake scalp. You guys already know that because the knots are already done right. So it's just up to you if you want that extra scalpish look. So just putting everything on, and I want to show you guys what the hairline is looking like. Their hairline looks really good. I'm not going to have to go in and pluck out anymore. And then that is what their parting space is looking like. So you get enough of versatility so you don't have to just worry about it being parted in the middle. You can definitely part it on the side as well. And then that is what the pre-plucked hairline is looking like, which I think it looks good, especially for a beginner if you don't want to have to go in and put any more work in. Just in my unit where I needed to be, I'm going to take some wax and go around the hairline, also into the parting space. This does already come parted in the middle. You can switch your parting around, but because this is a straight out of the box review, I want to keep this simple and just show you guys exactly how you can wear it. So after I take that wax, I'm going to go around the hairline also with my Hotcomb. Just kind of press everything down because it has been laying in the box. So I want this to lay really flat to my head. I'm happy with how everything is looking flat. I'm going to just go ahead and clip the hair back and work on cutting off this lace. Like I stated, this is a light brown. They also offer dark brown on the website. I did end up cutting off a little bit of the hair on the side, but it's okay, it's okay. But I like the way that their lace just usually blends in with my skin. I really don't have to worry about putting in too much work. So cutting off the lace is never an issue for me, but I am gonna have to adjust it because of the way that the elastic is sitting. I don't want it to irritate the back of my ear. So right here, I thought I was gonna, do something special up in the front, and guys, I'm gonna end up taking it off because I was not happy with it. But I'm just going in with my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam, and I was trying to swoop a little bit of those hairs over, and then I just put my wig grip on just to kind of cover it up and get it to lay down. I'm just going to work on straightening this unit out. Now, even though you can wear your unit straight out of the box, it will look exactly like the picture on the website. But if you leave it in there a little bit too long, you are going to have to end up kind of adjusting it, putting a little bit of heat to it, depending on the style that you have. Now, this one's a straight style, so it's a little bit easier for me to just lightly bump it under. But they also offer wavy on the website. But as you guys can see, it's flat ironing very well. So, and I have my flat iron turned up, I think, to 375. So I don't even have it up to the highest settings. Any other products that I'm using in the video can be found down below in the description area. But as you guys can see, this unit is flowing very well. That is one side flat iron, and then I'm going to go in and straighten out the other side. Really took me less than 10 minutes to style this unit because it was just really easy for me to do. If anything, the longest part took me flat iron in the back because I can't really see back there, so I had to make sure that it was a-okay. So I took my wig grip off, and this wasn't how I had it pictured in my head. You guys already know sometimes you have a style picture and then you like, but I just combed it right on out. Very easy. and I still didn't have to put up a lot of fuss. I just took the flat iron and just kind of went back over that area where I had put that foam at, and I'm just going to lay a little bit of powder just right in that front area. I'm going to add some of my Sleek and Shine serum to this unit, and this one did have a little bit of frizziness, so this is going to help control the frizziness and flyaways, even though I did not notice any type of shorter hairs at the top of this unit, which I was happy about. But guys, this is the final outcome of this unit. Even though I tried to be extra, it still turned out really cute, very simple. The hair flows very well. This is a very, very good density, y'all. It feels really nice and full. It doesn't feel thin at all, and even the front does not look super thin, which I'm happy about, because you guys know I love my bobs to be full all the way around. Let's say that this unit is 12 inches, but it's definitely hitting me a little bit longer. I feel like this is 14 inches. You guys have to let me know what you think, but I think it looks longer. Now this unit is, like I said, very simple. I did get some minimal shedding with this. Not really any tangles because I did not wear it out for a long time, but this is really nice and simple. You could tuck it behind your ear and it's still going to look good. You could dress it up with those cute little bobby pins. This is definitely beginner friendly. You can't beat that at all. It's just up to you if you want to deal with the fake scalp. The fake scalp is just a personal preference. I can do without it, but they do still bleach the knots for you, and you can easily cut it out if that's something you're not a fan of. Let me know if you are feeling this short everyday bob look. If you are, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye, guys.